Gorgeous views of Duck Wall Mount from this deck and out of most of the windows. Unwind from your busy life as you sit and gaze up and down the Sierras. 4 bedrooms and 2 baths with open floor plan. Kitchen and living room all one room so nobody misses out on anything. Central heating and air has been installed so cabin is comfortable year-round. 5-car garage for all the cars and toys you want to store and keep out of the snow. RV parking and level parking at the house and road is paved to house. Property is zoned for horses. Tenant above the garage pays $900 a month, in studio apt and would love to stay and watch over your property. Washer and dryer for apt and garage. Minutes to Twain Harte for food and entertainment. 30 minutes to skiing at Dodge Ridge and swimming at Pinecrest. Kennedy Meadows is a day trip away and you can drive to Yosemite in 2 hours and spend the day. Pedro and Melones Dams are 30 minutes away.